Okay, so let's say you have a whole bunch of objects all lined up. It's like your pattern background or whatever, and you want to create something on top of this. Okay, so all you're going to do is now that you got your background, just add another layer. If you want to put an object on this layer, you can. I'm just going to go ahead and draw on it. So I got this new layer that's in front of all those objects. I'm going to find like a pen. I'm going to use a studio pen. All right. I like a big, wide, kind of like brush. And I'm going to do black ink. And all I'm going to do is just draw something on it, like a heart. Something very simple. Then I'm going to add a little bit of pink in there. Drag and drop it. Okay. That heart is really big. So I'm just going to adjust it some by clicking on my arrow button and clicking the warp or distort button and moving it around how I like it instead of redrawing it a bunch of times. If I need to move it around after I warp it, if I need to move it around, I just press uniform and just move this object around. Okay. And that is how you draw on top of something. If you have like a pattern background, I have created a couple of things that way. Um, I've added words into it. Let's see what else. I like this one. Things like that. You can do whatever you want with it, but that's how you add something on top of a pattern background. It's just a layer on top of it.